Hello, hello, and welcome back to another video. This is Kinsey. I am here with Emma.
Her.
So today we are making my BBL recovery chair. So I apologize, I do not know what video I saw this on. If I find the video again, I will link it down in the comments. This is not my idea. Someone had a BBL chair so they could lay on their back and have their butt like hanging. So they could actually sleep on their back, because sleeping on your face.
Is that what your butt's gonna do?
Yes, that's what my butt's gonna do.
Okay.
Have it hanging so they could sleep on their back and actually be comfortable. So we're gonna try that. So I bought a chair on Amazon. It was like 30 something, and there was like $15 shipping. It was on sale though, which is nice. So it's one of the zero gravity chairs, and we're gonna try to cut the butt out to see if this works. Best case scenario, we have an amazing post-op chair. Worst case, I have just burned $40.
As
All right.
you do.
Let's show them what we're doing. So this is the chair that I got. Yes, my lovely assistant. So this is the zero gravity chair. We have started taking the straps out for the elastic, and we're going to take 3 out on the other side. We had me sit in it and measured where my butt is. So we've marked with an X here and all the way down here, because I already have a lot of butt on my own. So we're thinking we'll be able to cut that much out, and then maybe I can put like some padding or bed pad here to help support my legs, and then it's already got a built-on neck pillow. So let's get to loosening the other straps. Okay, so these slip out. You just twist the little metal piece up and push it out. So that's not too hard. And see how this feels? If it's positioned right. Okay. That feels like it's in about the right spot. I mean, we can always cut off more. We just can't put any back.
Mm-hmm. You got plenty of back.
I really do. Okay. I think this will actually be pretty nice, because I hate sleeping on my stomach. So I think we need a box cutter now.
Let me supply you, madame.
Let's roll. We have a Hobby Lobby box cutter because we couldn't find the actual nice big one. And then we have a rotary cutter. Yes, we know it's for fabric. It is canvas, which is technically a fabric, but Emma says she needs to replace the blade anyway, so she feels okay for us using it on canvas. We are cutting a little bit below where the actual line is, just in case we need extra to fold over or sew, since it is, oh, you good? Mm-hmm. Spooked me. Since it is canvas, it does tend to fray. So we're either going to have to make an edge, or we are going to hot glue it. I'm gonna take this extra piece here and maybe weave it up to secure it. See how it's loose? So I'm gonna do that while I'm here. I'm just gonna loop it around these a couple of times, just so it's got a little bit of extra oomph. So why are you bending the bottom?
Because it's already bent this way, and I want to glue it this way so it's out of the way of your butt.
Okay.
But I'm gonna glue it up and then do an extra layer on the top.
Okay. Should we get like alligator clips or binder clips to secure it?
Yes.
Okay. Take this and I will go grab some from your room. Highly recommend anyone who wants to do this project have someone who's at least halfway decent with crafts helping them out. Alright, so I guess that is all we are doing for today. Next time I see everybody, we will be back with the padded foam. Okay, we are back for what is technically day 2, but it's a week later. So we got a mattress pad. This is from Target. It was like $10. And I ordered it online because I didn't want to go into stores because because stores are gross. Yeah. So this is a foam topper for a bed. I got a full size. This is literally just saran wrap. I'm going to unroll this, cut this, and then use Velcro to adhere it to the chair. And it better be big enough because it's made for a full-size bed. Okay, so we're gonna take it so it's long, wrap it around the bottom where the bar is, and then Velcro it onto the back. So we'll Velcro it at the top, which we might need a little more up here.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll need to cut it, mark where that wraps up, and then cut it. So for this next part, we went to our local craft store and we picked up some hook and loop fasteners, which is just not Velcro brand Velcro, to attach to the chair and to the pad. My first couple days, or if you're getting your own BBL, in your first couple of days, you're gonna be pretty gross. So you're gonna wanna be able to spot treat and work with the pad and not just have that adhered on there. Also, depending on your comfort level, you may want to take it off, move things, and we just wanted something that was going to be easily movable. Go for it.
Okay, so we are going to...
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's the offending bar. Okay. I will also be wrapping this in a sheet, just so it looks a little less gross.
Oozes.
Oozes. I'm pleasantly surprised with how comfortable it is. I've continued to be surprised. I'm comfortable, my back is supported, my head, they have a headrest that I'll be putting on here, and my booty is free. No pressure, the bar is not digging in, everything is padded, I'm not gonna fall through. It's perfect. So, thanks for watching. Please feel free to ask questions, leave comments down at the bottom. Let me know if you're getting a BBL or if you're going to make one of these chairs, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!